I feel like this is something you already know, dear Cancer, and that is you can't have one foot in and one foot out. Imagine there's a circle in front of you, right? And this is, of course, a metaphor. It's up to you to recognize what area of your life this is about. Now, there's a circle and you've got one foot in, one foot out. You're waiting for things to work out before you put the other foot in. But the fact that you don't have the other foot put in is why things can't work out. So it's almost like you're bargaining with the universe or life or whatever you want to call it. And your bargaining strategy isn't working. It will never work because you either have 2 feet in or you move on, right? And so there's a decision for you to make. And I say it as black and white. And I say it and it sounds so simple. And the truth is, it is simple. It's the thoughts that you keep giving energy and attention to that complicate it. Otherwise, it's very simple. Is this what I love? Yes or no? There can't be, well, yes, but the problem, no, there is no issue here. Is this what I love? Whatever it may be pointing to. And so we'll go back to the metaphor of the circle. If the answer is yes, you put 2 feet in and you never look back. If the answer is no, you put the other foot out and you move on and you never look back. Either way, you don't look back. Make sure that you are super clear. And I feel like you are. The issue, however, is that you're thinking of the how, the why, the reasons, and that's always going to make things complicated.